Post office employees prepared for something they hope will never happen. And if you wondered what was going on at the Maine Post Office today, the entire building underwent evacuation training. The exercise was a lesson in what to do in case of an emergency. Officials say it's necessary after multiple incidents of hazardous materials being sent to postal facilities.
We work together with the county and city first responders and the health departments to ensure that we protect the community, protect our employees and everyone around. And this is just part of that system. We want to make sure that we're in a constant state of readiness.
The training program takes place at all postal facilities in the country.